Hello and namaskar aspirants. This is the continuation of our video series on motor design and its components. Let us start our today's MCQ. We will discuss all these MCQs and we will take reference from other websites also. Where is the fuel delivery check valve located in a jerk pump fuel injection system? And the options are in the cylinder head, on the suction side of the delivery pump, in the injection pump housing discharge, on the inlet side of the spray valves. The fuel delivery check valve is in a jerk pump is located on the injection side or pump housing discharge, and it should be the correct answer. Yes, this is the correct answer. How many crankcase relief valves are required for a 325 mm bore 8-cylinder inline engine? Inline engines are those engines in which the arrangement of the crankcase are inline. Crankcase not. Cylinder liner are inline position. You can see in the image. Let's have a look of inline engines. Yes, you can see this is an example of inline engine. In this you can see the cylinders are installed in such a way they are in one line. There are various other types of engines also, like V-type engine. Yes, you can see the engine types on the basis of their alignment of the cylinder. This is inline vertical engine, this is V-type. These are horizontal engine, double cylinder engine, single cylinder engine, radial engine, W-type engine, opposed cylinder engines. Let's move to the next question. How many crankcase relief valves are required for a 325 mm bore 8-cylinder inline engine? It should be 8, because for each cylinder one crankcase is required in an inline engine which is of 325 mm bore. I will tell you what is bore. Okay, it's the diameter of the cylinder liner. Okay, bore in cylinder. Bore is the inner diameter of the cylinder. Okay, got it. You can have a look on of the image of this. Yes, you can look at this way. This is a correct depiction. This is the internal diameter which is known as bore, and this is the piston, and piston is providing crank due to the movement of the piston due to the force exerted by the explosion or the combustion inside the combustion space. It causing the rotary motion of the crankshaft, and piston has a reciprocating motion, and the movement from the bottom dead center to the top dead center is called a stroke, and this is the cylinder wall, and the volume between the top dead center and the cylinder head is called clearance volume. Now let's move to the next question. Which of the air intake system listed will result in the lowest specific fuel oil consumption? It's an easy question. It should be turbocharged, because turbocharge help to provide the high density air inside the combustion space. Due to sufficient amount of oxygen, combustion happens efficiently, and and the specific fuel consumption is reduced. In which of the following areas of a crosshead engine is a permanently connected fire extinguishing system required? Exhaust manifold in excess of 8 inches in diameter, crankcase having a gross volume in excess of 21 cubic feet, turbocharger inlet piping in excess of 12 inches in diameter, scavenging spaces in open connection to the cylinder. Its answer should be scavenging spaces in open connection to the cylinder. Camshafts are usually driven by timing gears or chain drives. These are the two methods of crankshaft motions. Yes, the valve cam slope angle determines the the slope of the cam. It determines the opening and the closing rate of the valve in a combustion engine. The arrangement and shape of the cams on a diesel engine camshaft directly controls which of the listed group of operating conditions. Yes, the cams controls the firing order, valve timing, and the valve lift. Carbon deposits building up in and around the injection nozzle tips are least likely to occur when using which of the listed types of fuel injector nozzles. It's a pintle one, I think. Yes. Now let's have a look what is pintle in fuel injector nozzle. In this type of nozzle, the stem of the nozzle valve is extended to and from pin or pintle, which protrudes through the mouth of the nozzle. Let's have a look of the images. Yes. You can see in this image, it's showing the part of a nozzle, and the portion here is known as pintle, and this is the spray hole, this is the pressure chamber, and this is the inlet passage through which the fuel oil comes down here, and this is the nozzle needle, and this is the nozzle body, and this is the pressure pin. Okay. A port and helix fuel injection pump having upper and lower plunger helix designed to vary the beginning and end of injection. Port and helix in the injection pump are used to control the beginning start of injection and the end of injection, so that valve timing, injection timing can be controlled. Which of the following statement describes a fuel injection pump marked time for port closing? Time for port closing means the ending of fuel injection will be controlled, not the starting of injection. Injection has a constant beginning and variable ending. Means injection has constant beginning and variable ending. That I have already told you right now, and this is the correct answer. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet soon.